Remember guys, ano lang to, 3 major cost, wala pa yung mga daily expenses ninyo and yung mga maliliit na gagastusin. The first one, which should be the biggest of all, will be your tuition fees. Dependent yan sa school or university na gusto nyong pasukan and anong level of study yung gagawin ninyo. Second one, very important as well, is your proof of funds or yung tinatawag nilang show money. And I've shared tips dun sa aking full video sa YouTube kung paano kayo magpe-prepare nito at para hindi kayo magkamali. And the third one, siya yung pinakamura sa lahat ng tatlong to is yung airfare. Depende yan sa airlines na preferred ninyo and kung ilan kayong lilipad pa New Zealand. And of course, if may makuha kayong promo. So yung total, depende yan. Pero malaki mga kapatid and it's very important for us to prepare. In my full video, I shared how much yung inabot namin. And please watch it in my YouTube channel, Rakitera Mama in New Zealand. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye!